Hello everyone. So we have already started this chapter. So we have already finished up to here, page number 43. You see. So from now we'll start from here. Applications of convection in daily life. Now ventilators are made near the ceiling of the room because the air we breathe out is warmer. It rises and goes out through the ventilators. So what is the function of ventilators? Whenever ventilators are using because of the good air, whatever we take for breathing in and breathing out. So the fresh air should come and fresh air should and that exhaled air should go out. Cool and fresh air enters the room through windows and doors, which are much below than the ventilators. Heaters and blowers used to heat up a room should be placed near the ground level so that they heat the entire room by setting off convection currents. Firemen crawl while entering a building on fire because hot air and smoke are at least near the ground. So, firemen crawl while entering a building on fire because hot air and smoke are least near the ground. Now, here you see air conditions used to cool rooms should be placed at higher levels as cold air is heavy and will come down and cool the room. Birds can rise high up in the air and glide effortless due to convection currents of air. Sea breeze and land breeze occur due to convection currents. So, sea breeze and land breeze occur due to convection currents. Sea breeze blows during the day. During daytime, land heats up faster than water. The air above the land so also gets heated and rise up. Sea water is cooler. The air above the sea water is also cooler and rushes to take the place left by the hot air. Hence, cool breeze blows from the sea towards the land, which is called sea breeze. Land breeze blows during the night. During the night, land cools down faster and the sea water is still warm. So, during the night, what happens? During the night, land cools down and the sea water is still warm. The warm air above the sea rises up. Cooler air from above the land rushes to takes its place. Thus, a cool breeze blows from the land towards the sea, which is called land breeze. Radiation requires no medium. You must have experienced that you feel warm when you sit in front of a room heater or a bonfire. The heat which reaches you is through radiation. What is radiation then? Radiation is the process of transfer of heat which does not require any medium. So what is radiation? Radiation is the process of transfer of heat which does not require any medium. In this process, the heat is transmitted from a hot body in all directions. Without the help of intermediate particles, radiation does not heat the medium through which it passes. By the process of radiations, heat can also be transferred through vacuum. Heat energy from the sun reaches through radiations. The extent of absorptions and reflections of heat due to radiation depends upon the nature of the surface of the object and the color of the object. Black and dark colored objects absorb more radiant heat than white and light colored objects. It is for these reasons that we prefer wearing dark colored clothes in winters and light colored clothes in summers. Shiny and smooth surfaces reflect that heat, while dark and rough surfaces absorb more heat. So, shiny and smooth surfaces reflect heat, while dark and rough surfaces absorb more heat. Applications of radiations in life. Electric room heaters have mirrors or shiny surface behind the heating coil, which helps to direct all the heat from the heating coil towards the front of the heater. The base of cooking utensils are painted black so that they absorb more heat energy and cook food in less time. Dark colored clothes are more suitable for winters because they absorb more heat of the sun. So this is the box. This box is very important. So you have to memorize this one. This is very important part. Okay. Now the last, thermos flask. What is thermos flask? Thermos flask does not allow loss or gain of heat. Sorry. Loss or gain of heat by the material stored in it. So all three modes of heat transfer, conductions, convections and radiations are minimized inside it. The outer casing of the thermos flask is made up of insulating material like plastic that minimizes the heat loss due to conductions. Heat loss due to convection is minimized in an inner jar made of double glass or stainless steel due to the vacuum present between them. The inner surface of the jar is highly reflective. This minimizes the heat loss due to radiations. The heat radiations are reflected back into the jar. So I hope you have completed the chapter and I hope you understand. If you require any information regarding this chapter, please ask me. Don't hesitate to ask. Now these terms, you have to memorize these terms. These terms are very important. These terms you have to memorize it. Okay, and you have to do this one. This is as a homework I am giving. In next class, then if you don't do, then in next class I will give the answers. Okay, this is for your homework. So here I'll write it over. Okay, these terms are very important. So read it properly. This is your homework. So complete the homework. Okay. Up to here. Up to fill in the blanks you complete. Up to here your homework is there. Okay. So I hope you understand and you have completed. We have completed the chapter. And in next class, I hope that everyone have submitted this homework. So thank you very much.